Hello everyone, thanks for watching my first video, and in this video we are going to see how programming language, basically C programming language concepts are derived from mathematical concept that we already know. So here we'll see how number is basically abstracted into programming language. So here we have two types of basically number: integer number and decimal. So integer number like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and decimal language like 2.7, 3.7, 5.7, like that. And so to represent this number in programming language we use a concept called data types. So to represent integer number we use a concept called int data type, and to represent decimal number we use a concept called float data. So let's see how we can use it. So in math, if we write like this, 2 equal a equal to 2 and b equal to 2.7. Same thing in programming language can be written as int a equal to 2 semicolon float b equal to 2.7 semicolon. Here a is nothing but a variable, and each line should end with semicolon, and this one line is called a statement in a programming language. Similar to that, b is also here a variable and that have value 2.7, and this is another statement in programming language. Let's see one more concept. Okay, so this particular thing can also be written in some other way like this. First you declare, like first you write int a semicolon float b semicolon and then assign the value. So this is another way of writing the same thing in the programming language. Now we have another concept similar to that: data types, integer and decimal. Suppose we want to represent a sequence of alphabets. So suppose in math we write somebody name or title, something like that. So here we write like name equal to Dharmendra, or C programming, something like that. So same thing in programming, we write character. To represent the sequence of character we reuse a data type called char, char, and we will write it as name equal to this box we have to give, and bit equal to, and between double quotes the value that you want to give. Here I have given them, you can write anything you want. This whole thing can also be written as like this also. You give the character data type and the name and this box and how many characters are there plus 1. So in this case you can see here there is only 10 character but I have given 11. This is because compiler by default will add 1/0 at the end of this sequence of characters. Similar to that, if you want to represent only one character, so in that case you just give the char and the name that you want to give and just assign the value in single quotes. Here you will represent sequence of character in double quotes, but if you have one character, just put single quotes. Okay, so in this video we learned basically three data types that is derived from maths. So if you have integer number like 2, 3, 4, we will use int data type. If you have decimal number like 2.3, 3.4, or any decimal number, you will use float data type. And if you have sequence of character or single character, you will write character. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more concept using mathematical technique, please watch my other videos.